Hello friends! Welcome back or welcome if you're new. Here is a new and improved lip tutorial that is of course, beginner friendly. If you haven't subscribed or hit that like button, consider doing so to support the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. First we are going to pick a dark shade of the color we're going to use for the lips. For example, if we are using pink to color them, we're going to pick a dark magenta or such. We're going to draw a long dot and then make our shape of the lips. Here you see that I outlined it again to make sure it's thick. Now I'm going to make a curve to make the lips. Remember, you could make your lips as wide or thin as you want. I'm drawing another example. Here is the fun part, coloring. I'm going to choose a pink for the lip on the left. I'm going to choose another dark color to shade the bottom part of the lip. I'm now picking a lighter pink to color the top. Last step is now the highlight to give it that glow. Look at that. So simple yet so good. I'm now coloring the red lips. I won't be explaining this part for the duration of the video. Skip to 3:50 if you don't want to wait. Look at these lips. These are definitely a solid 8. Make sure when trying this out to have the dark color of your choice to the lightest color of your choice. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Thanks for sticking until the end. Until next time, I'm Cheetah Snacc.